Hello guys, this is my third video of the Nerf people, and today I have all of my Nerf guns and customizations and mags and ammo and all that. So we're going to be talking about like all the guns, and this time I'll really say the gun game. So this one right here is a Nerf zombie rough cut 2x4. So this gun is the Rectulator Elite. So that was a sniper, and the scope, the back piece, and the barrel goes with that gun because it's our sniper for right now. So this one is the Nerf Elite Disruptor. So next we have the Nerf Sledgefire, Zombie Sledgefire. You have to push this down to activate it. Well, to put the new mags in. So next we have a 6 mag, another 6 mag, 18, and this gun is the Elite Demolisher 2-in-1. As you can see, this bottom piece right here, it shoots rockets, but we don't have any more rockets because we've had this gun for a long time. So yeah, sorry you won't be seeing. Well, you might be seeing it in our videos. I don't know. So the back piece that goes with it is this, because you could see it holds the rocket. So the next gun we have is the Nerf Zombie Strike. It's a little pullback one where you have to pull this back, and it's a disc launcher. As you can see, it has like a disc in it. If you can see. Next we have the Nerf Modulus, the big Nerf Modulus. So next we have another Disruptor, Elite Disruptor pistol. So next we have an 18 mag, another 18 mag. This is like one of the sniper things where like you pop out and like you sit down with it like that. Sorry, it's taking a little bit. So this is a customization for like the top. Like, I'll make it real fast. So right now I put it on the Nerf Modulus. So like you just put it on there, and then it has like the bottom piece right there. And then you could stick like another thing at the top. So yeah, I'm gonna take it off. So next we have over here. This is the back piece to a Nerf gun, which we will be getting along to. Next we have the Doomlands barrel to the Desolator, the Doomlands Desolator. So that's what mags it goes to. This is just like a normal 10 mag, another 10 mag. And then we have the Elite Style. So this is the Nerf Strife, and we're probably going to be using the 10 mags and the 18 mag with it. So next we have the Nerf Elite Rough Cut 2x4 again. And the thing with the top piece is right here, because it keeps coming off. It's with the Modulus, but I like putting it on the shotgun because the shotgun, it has like these bullets right here, so like you could put those bullets on those bullets. So next we have the Alpha Trooper CS shotgun. So this back piece goes with it, like I was telling you about. So you just put it back there. Well, put it back there. And you have to like push this back. Like, let me show you. And that's how you shoot that. So, and we have the Nerf, like, ammo bag. Like, let me open it up for you. This is what's inside. You just put, like, mags in, like, let me just put one in. So right now, I just put in the 18, so you could see, like, it holds it in. It can't really move. You have to, like, pull it out to really get it. So, let me close it back up. And I believe that's the end of our video. And I'll see you soon in our Saving the Hostage Part 2. And that's it. Wait, no, we actually have one more thing, which is the shield. Sorry. It goes to another gun that I have, but it causes, like, big batteries, but, like, I need, new ones of those. So, that gun I'm not really going to show because it doesn't work, so, and I'll show you the darts again. So, I got a 250 pack, so I could, like, really do it, and these, like, little Nerf, like, frisbee darts, it goes to the Nerf zombie strike. So, that's the end of our video. Peace!